My topic is advertising and promotion in detail explained, and let's go to the topic and let's go to the start. Advertising and promotion refer to the methods used by businesses and organizations to promote their products, services, or brand to potential customers. Advertising can be done through a range of media, including television, radio, newspapers, magazines, billboards, and online ads. Promotion can include activities such as public relations campaigns, events, and sponsorships. The ultimate goal of advertising and promotion is to increase brand recognition, raise awareness of products and services, and drive sales. Effective advertising and promotion strategies require careful planning, research, and execution to achieve the desired results. Advertising and promotion are essential components of marketing strategies used by businesses to create awareness, generate interest, and stimulate demand for their products or services. Let's explore these concepts in more detail. Advertising refers to the process of promoting a product, service, or brand to a target audience through various communication channels. The primary goal of advertising is to persuade potential customers to take a specific action, such as making a purchase, visiting a store, or recognizing a brand. Advertising can be done through various mediums, including television, radio, print media, newspapers, magazines, outdoor billboards, online platforms, websites, social media, and more. Promotion encompasses a broader range of marketing activities designed to increase sales and customer engagement. It includes advertising but also incorporates other elements, such as public relations, personal selling, sales promotions, and direct marketing. Promotion aims to create a positive image of the product or brand, build customer loyalty, and drive immediate sales. Sales promotions, these involve short-term incentives to encourage immediate purchases. Examples include discounts, coupons, free samples, buy one get one offers, contests, loyalty programs, and limited-time promotions. Public relations, PR activities focus on building and maintaining a positive image for a company or brand. This can be achieved through press releases, media relations, sponsorships, events, and community involvement. PR helps to create credibility, manage reputation, and establish strong relationships with the public and media. Personal selling, this strategy involves direct interaction between a salesperson and potential customers. It is common in industries where products require demonstrations or complex explanations, such as high-end electronics or financial services. Personal selling allows for personalized communication and the opportunity to address specific customer needs. Direct marketing involves reaching out to potential customers directly, bypassing traditional advertising channels. It includes tactics like email marketing, direct mail, telemarketing, and targeted online advertising. Direct marketing allows for precise targeting and personalized messaging. Sponsorships and partnerships, companies often engage in sponsorships and partnerships with events, organizations, or influential individuals to enhance their brand visibility and reach a specific target audience. This can involve sponsoring sports teams, concerts, charitable events, or collaborating with social media influencers. Effective advertising and promotion require careful planning, understanding of the target audience, clear messaging, and tracking of results to evaluate the effectiveness of different strategies. Businesses often use a combination of advertising and promotional techniques to create a comprehensive marketing campaign that aligns with their overall business objectives. Advertising and promotion are essential components of marketing strategies used by businesses and organizations to reach their target audience, increase brand awareness, and drive sales. Here's an overview of advertising and promotion. Advertising involves paid communication through various media channels to promote a product, service, or brand. It aims to capture the attention of potential customers and influence their purchasing decisions. Common advertising mediums include television, radio, print, newspapers, magazines, outdoor billboards, online platforms, websites, social media, and mobile apps. Advertising campaigns typically incorporate compelling visuals, persuasive messages, and calls to action to engage consumers and create brand recognition. Promotion encompasses a range of marketing activities designed to create interest, generate sales, and build customer loyalty. It includes both paid and unpaid methods to communicate with customers. Promotional activities can involve discounts, special offers, contests, giveaways, product demonstrations, sponsorship of events, public relations, and more. The goal is to incentivize customers to choose a particular product or brand over competitors and to foster positive associations with the company. Target audience. Identifying and understanding the target audience is crucial for effective advertising and promotion. This involves analyzing demographics, interests, behaviors, and preferences to tailor messages and select appropriate channels. Branding, advertising and promotion play a significant role in building and maintaining a brand's image. Consistency in messaging, design elements, and brand values across different platforms helps create a strong brand identity. Integrated Marketing Communications, IMC. IMC refers to the coordinated use of various promotional tools and channels to deliver a consistent and unified message to the target audience. By integrating advertising, public relations, direct marketing, and other elements, companies can enhance the impact of their marketing efforts. Call to Action, CTA. A CTA prompts the audience to take a specific action, such as making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or visiting a website. Including a clear and compelling CTA in advertisements and promotional materials helps drive desired customer responses. Metrics and analysis. Measuring the effectiveness of advertising and promotion is essential for assessing return on investment, ROI, and making informed decisions. Tracking key performance indicators, KPIs, such as reach, engagement, conversion rates, and sales, provides valuable insights for refining strategies. Ethical considerations. Advertisers and promoters must adhere to ethical guidelines and avoid deceptive or misleading practices. This includes ensuring accuracy of claims, respecting consumer privacy, and complying with relevant advertising regulations. Effective advertising and promotion require a well-planned strategy, creative messaging, and a deep understanding of the target audience. By employing the right mix of channels and promotional techniques, businesses can effectively engage customers, increase brand visibility, and achieve. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe the channel.